So let's fly through the different partnership models available. And let me start with the referral partnership. This is aimed to give highly connected professionals a platform on which to engage prospects that the ProcessMaker sales team would later manage for a successful sales cycle. So if you're looking to leverage your personal business reputation and engage your prospects and customers and business contacts with a solid solution, the referral program might be the best option for you to engage us with. The value-added reseller partner business model is by far the most popular partnership that we at ProcessMaker have today, which gives companies the ability to compete with a winning product in the IBPMS market space. This is key to adding this revenue stream and to completing your solutions portfolio that your customers likely have come to appreciate from your company. And we have the OEM partner business model. As you know, this solution is geared to enable already built solutions to leverage the strong IBPMS and workflow functionality of ProcessMaker by embedding our product into your own. Some of our OEM partners have chosen to build niche or point solutions that they can take to market into specific business verticals and industries, adding value because they are subject matter experts in a particular market or industry on its own.